Welcome to our Auto Crash MetaTrader 5 robotic trading bot. I say once again, welcome to Auto Crash robot trading bot. Yes, this is the DOLLA again. So you are welcome to this our trading bot. So if you have not subscribed to our channel DOLLA Versatile, please do click the subscription button below so that you subscribe and get to know when we post a new video. Okay, so this video we're about to show you how to run our Crash auto robotic trading bot on your PC. It's very effective, very profitable, very excellent, very accurate in taking what trades. Okay, let's go there. Let's take you to the platform where it's running, because it's currently running. Okay, it's very automated. It's a bot that has TP and take profit auto trade. Okay, let's go. You see how the trade is running. It will just do the automatic TP and it will load another trade. Just TP the first trade it took, and it's going to take another trade anytime soon on Crash. We have this boat in two sets. We have the one for Boom, we have the one for Crash. So this one for Crash trade the whole Crash, both Crash 500, Crash 1000 and Crash 300 consecutively. Okay, and it has automatic take profit and automatic stop loss. Very efficacious for those of you that are looking for a profitable bot that will help you double your account, that will help you build your account to any account size of your choice. Then this is what you need. Those of you logging to look forward for expert moment or ICPC capital, this bot trade more automatic, more efficient than all those their bots. Is more what efficiency. It has just noted some trades and is going to close them in profit anytime soon. It's going to close them in profit anytime soon. Just watch it. It just take this trade on their own and it's going to close all of them at once. It's going to close what? All of them at once. No. Let's just watch the operation within this minute. Phew, it's moving. Very profitable. You can double any account, and the minimum account you can trade this bot is just $10. From $10 up, then you use minimum lot size to run it, and I'll tell you how to run it, and I'll tell you how to build your account of $10 to $1,000. Boom, take profit, loaded another one. Do you see it? Automatic. Okay, yes, because it has a take profit level. It sets it automatically, and it also has a take profit stop loss level. It sets them what? Automatically. Do you understand? So meanwhile, I will show you how to run this bot effectively. So this bot doesn't trade spike. It trades only the ticks, only the default movement of Crash, the buying aspect of it, and I'll tell you how to run it. So upon ordering this bot now, I will also give you a supporting indicator that will tell you the actual time, or the actual time you're supposed to run this bot and make money without any fear of intimidation or spike. Do you understand? So, and if you work according to the instructions, you can just double your $10 in less than 45 minutes. Your $10 will be double. What is 45 minutes? In less than 15 minutes, you double. Boom, loaded another one. Do you see? One way. It's loading and offloading the dollars for you. We don't touch anything. Your duty is just to be watching it, making the money. Do you get that now? So we call it automated Crash MetaTrader 5 PC bot. It works only on what? PC. It doesn't work on what? Phone. Remember, this bot was installed on my PC, but I connected this account with my phone and I'm seeing the operation in my phone while working on what? PC. So you can as well do the same thing when you order your own, and you'll be making the money. Okay, so this bot is very efficient. Some of you that is looking for all this scam site, all this scam networking stuff, boom, offload, load another one, boom. Do you see it? So this is what you need. So what you need is just to purchase this bot at $50 rate. The cost of this bot, this Crash bot, is what? $50 only, and you continue to make money. It's one-time fee. You are not subscribing for another thing, and it's a lifetime. You buy it and you buy it for a lifetime, and you keep making money on Crash indices. Remember I told you to trade the Crash 500, the Crash 1000, and the crash 300. Let me add some crash together with the already running one. Let me add some crash 1000. You see the change now. Whenever it's going to take another trade, it will include crash 1000. Just watch my chart. You see, I've added number one now is crash 1000. Let me add crash 500 so that you see what I'm saying. It's too profitable. Crash what 300 added. You see, just watch the next trade it you're going to take. It will be included what crash 300. Let's see. One way. Let's move it. Crash 300. Do we have you on the chart? Let me see where it is. We have crash 1000. Okay, let me have crash 300. It will be added. That index is about to spike, that's why I couldn't add it immediately. Do you understand? But just give it some time. Now it will be added because it has already loaded on the chart. Do you understand? So let us see it, how it moves. You see crash 300 is already loaded. Can you see it? We have crash 1000, crash 1000, crash 300, crash 500, and crash 500. So, and everything will return what? In profit. Everything will return in what? Profit. Boom. You know, because it's different indices now, that's why it's not, the profit taking is not longer the same, because I added this one while others have been running, so the timing will be different, but it will be closing the trade what automatically. Do you see how it's closing them, uploading others? Do you see it? So it's very, very profitable, very, very automated, very, very accurate. If you offload this one, load them, you see. So your own is to be loading and offloading the profit every day. Boom, load and offload. You see, powerful, very powerful kind of a thing. So you need this boat. If you are complaining you are not making money in this system, so what you need is this boat, and the cost is what? $50. Mind you, you must have a PC, because this boat, you don't run it on your phone. It's a PC. It's what? Laptop. You must have laptop for you to run this boat. Do you understand? So organize yourself, pay $50, that is 25,000 naira, and order this your boat at 080 50 98 44 43. Do you understand? Let me return all in crash 1000, crash 500, because that's what I'm currently trading alone. Then I'll now tell you how to use it using my PC. How to use it when you have it in your PC. I'll tell you how to use it right away. Let me change this one of crash 1000 so that I will not get confused about the trend. Remember, I told you it only trade the ticks, it doesn't catch spikes. It only trade what? The ticks. It doesn't what? Catch spikes. It doesn't catch spikes. Take note. Do you understand? But we have a way of trading it, and it will escape those spikes. Do you understand? So let me take you to my PC and show you how you can be taking the trades, so that you cannot be caught by what? Any spike on earth as far as you are using this boat. You see how it's loading the trades once and offloading them once as well. Okay, it's remaining one crash 1000 so that it will close everything. So let's go there. I'll just off you now. This is the chart where it operates. You see everything is in profit here. I told you it was installed in my laptop. If you look here, you see everything in profit loading. So you see this market is on the downtrend, but I'm still running the boat. You see it has taken another trade. It's for a reason, because I know where to run it. So how do we move it? The stuff now, another spike is going to happen, because this one is red. If you watch my spike trend and finisher, you see this thing is red. It's going to hammer another spike, but before that spike it must produce what? 3 candles at least. Why? Because it has taken a very green background here. The momentum detector is telling us that this thing must produce up to 3 candles before the spike happen. Then you on your bot, and it's already in profit. You just on it and take 3 candle space and you move it. Let me zoom it a bit. You see, one candle have closed, another candle is already there. So we allow this one to close in profit, and another, it will take another trade. This third trade now, I will pause the boat. How do I pause the boat? You just come up to this algo trading. You see where is what? Algo trading here is on now. If I just pause it, let me show you. If I just click on it, it will turn red. It's not. After this one now, it will not take another trade, because that is the third candle I want it to take and stop. So the moment I send you this boat, shit man, this thing is okay. It's now normal. The moment I send you this boat now, let me go to my chat. Look at the boat here. Okay, you just download them, put them in a folder and just copy it. When you copy it, how do you install it? Then open your MT5. When you open your MT5, what do? You now come to file. You come to what? File. You see file here at the top left of your phone, of your PC. See file here. Click on file. Click on what? Open data folder. Then when you click on open data folder, you click on what? MQL5. When you click on MQL5, you go to what? SPAT. You see SPAT here, not indicator this time around because this one is an SPAT, is a boot. So you go to what? SPAT. When you open SPAT now, you paste. You see I've pasted it before now. Look at it. Boom and crash boot. We have DOLLA Auto Boom boot and DOLLA Auto Crash boot. You get that now? So the moment you put it there, what do? You come back, you return to your chat, your navigator area. Left click or right click, then go here and refresh. When you refresh now, you will now search it. You can see my own is there. Look at it, crash and auto boom. You understand? So if you look at the chat now, the boot power has just shown. The boot power has just what? Shown. Then I told you each time spike happen, how do you run this boot? You see this spike happen and it contains this momentum sensor turn green at the peak of the spike, telling us that when it turns green, the implication is that it will produce up to 3 candles before spiking. That is 1, 2, 3. You just carry that, you just on your boat at that spot. How do you on it? After putting the boat, how do you put the boat? When you just double click, you just click yes here. When you click yes, it will now pop up. You go to the input. If you want to adjust the north size, look at the north size 0.2. You can just double click and type anything like 1. If you like, just the north size you adjust, you click OK. The whole thing will enter the stuff. So then after starting them, what do? You come to your Algo trading. Before you started double clicking here, before you started loading the boat to the chart, make sure you turn on your Algo trading here. Algo trading, just turn it on. It's on now. If you see it, I've just taken the trades. You see the moment I just on it, bam, it just loaded the trades. Remember, I told you when I send you this thing now, it's going to come along with this spike sensor. This spike sensor, what does it do? So look at the momentum sensor here. You see it on my indicator navigator area. Okay? So when you get it, you just double click on it. You see? When you double click on it now, you see it here. I don't know why it's not showing up in your own. Let me cancel this signal. Let's start afresh. Look at it here on the session. Okay? When you double click on it, it will show up like this.